Hey, hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see one program in which you will be given with one string. Okay. So that string you have to tell like which all characters are there and how many times those characters are occurring in that. Okay. For example, this is our school. This is a string given. In this, if you'll see T, T is occurred only once. So the output should be like this for T. H, how many times is there? Two times. So H is coming like that. So likewise, while all other characters you have to print it like this. Okay. So let's get started. The main intention behind asking this question is like first they'll see how you are iterating and then they will expect some map concept. Okay. In collection we have one map, a map. That map concept they will be looking, and in map also iterator they will be looking. Okay. So these are the few things interviewer will be looking. So let's get started and create one class. Character occurrence. Okay, so let's take one first. Let me write main method. Yeah, now take string s is equal to. So let's take this string only as a example. Okay, so this is our string. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to create one map object. Okay, map, and the type of map should be character comma integer. Okay, map is equal to new hash map and should be character comma integer. Okay, perfect. So now, okay, let me make it char ctr character char actr character. Okay, let me import this. Let me import java.util. Perfect. So now what we have to do, we have to iterate with every string. Okay, so for that, let me take one for loop. Okay, so for character C, from where we can write, for each loop we'll write s dot to char array. Okay, now this loop will iterate with each and every characters in this. Okay, so now here, so here will, what we'll do, we will check in map. Okay, if that value exists in map, then what we'll do we'll check like how many times it is the value of that character is there. Okay, from this string. Okay, let me iterate it and then we'll see. Okay, I'll explain you clearly, it will be very clear. So now see, when it will go for the first time, so it will be pointing to this one. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll take if. Okay, if map dot get. Okay, what I'll try to get, I'll try to get this C, and this C is pointing to this T. So initially map is not having anything, right? Map is just empty, it is not having anything. So when you'll try to get some key, okay, from any map, if that key is available in that, then you'll get the value. Okay, for example, if T would have been already there, like T comma 5, so if you'll do like this, right, get T. Okay, here C, it is pointing to this T. From this two character it is correct, and it is currently pointing to the first character. Okay, so now if you'll do like map dot get C, then what you will get 5. If that value is not at all there in map, okay, then in that case you will get null. Okay, so in initial stage we don't have anything in map. Okay, so in that case it will come as null. So what we'll do, we'll check, okay, if it is not equal to null. Okay, if it is not equal to null, then you will get that value earlier, what I have written. Okay, so in that case what you have to do, if it is not null, means it means that value is already there in that map. Okay, so in that case what we have to do, map dot put. Okay, map dot put, what you have to do, you have to provide first character and value. So how you will get the value, you have to do map dot get c, and you have to increment by 1. Okay, so suppose for example don't take like initially this map was having ts2. Okay, t comma 2, one entry is there, t with 2. So if you will try to get this map dot get c, and this c initially it is pointing to this one. Okay, so it is already there. So in that case what you have to do, you have to increase this value. Okay, to increase this value, first you need to get that value. So to get that value, what I'm doing, m dot get c. Okay, if that value is there, if map dot get c is not equal to null, it means that value, that particular character is already available in the map. Okay, so you have to get the value of that map, like here it is 2, and then you have to increment it by 1. Okay, so in that case, so every time the count will get increased. Okay, else else if it means like if this value is not equal to null, then it will do this operation. If it is equal to null, it means that value is not exist, then we have to put that, right? So map dot put character c and value as 1, because see, if it is not there, it means the count is nothing, so we have to add that with 1 count. Okay, so likewise it will add all. So now I'll show you how it will add. Okay, so first time it will take t, it will check in map, it is there, like not equal to null. No, it is equal to null, because in map it is not there. Okay, so in that case it will come here in else part and it will put 1, t and 1 it will put. Okay, now second time what it will do for second character, it will go h, and it will check whether h is available in the map. So currently we don't have h, right? We have only t. So what it will do, it will come in the else part and then it will add this. Sorry, yeah, then it will add here. Okay, with 1, h comma 1. Okay, now the next one, it will take I also, it will check I is also not there in map, then I comma 1 it will do like this. Okay, then next value is s is also not there, then it will do like this. Okay, now again I is coming, right? So it will check whether I is there or not, map dot get I. So when it will do get I, right? So I, for I we have currently 1. Okay, so it will tell like no, it is not null, it is giving some value, and that value is 1. So what you have to do, you have to take what value exists in this. Okay, the map dot put c, now you have to update that value, right? So map dot put c, this c is currently I. Okay, so when you will do for any key, if it is already existing, if you will do put no, then it will replace that whatever value you are passing. Okay, the value will get replaced. So currently what we are doing, we are telling like first we tried to search in this map, and we found like that is already exist. Okay, here it is already there. So now we have to increase the count. So map dot put, okay, this c. Okay, with what count, map dot get c. So this is there, right? It will give you this one. Okay, and then you are adding 1. So now what it will become, it will become 2. Okay, now let's go to this one. So likewise, how I became 2, so S will also become 2. Okay, now see, S is also becoming 2. Now O, for O we don't have anything prior in map, we don't have anything. So for O it will add 1. Okay, O comma 1. Then after, what is there? U is there. For U also we don't have anything, so for U also it will add 1. Okay, now R is also not there, so for R also it will add 1. Okay, R comma 1. Then again CS is coming, right? So now when it will go for S, so it will check, right? S is not equal to null. Then we have to get the value of S. So currently the value was 2 for this, and now we have again found this, so we have to increase this. To get this value, we are doing map dot get. So this value 2 will come over here, and then we will add 1, so it will become 3. And map dot put this S. Now this value is becoming 3. See, so 2 it is getting from already existing map, and then it is adding 1. So now this value will become, now the S will become 3 over here. Okay, so likewise it will go with full string and it will tell the output. Okay, so now where is for loop is ending? Okay, now at the end we can print it like map we can print, right? Okay, now let's see the output. See here. So first here, why it is coming blank equal to 3, because this is counting this also. Okay, we will handle it now. Okay, we will handle it. And after that, you see R is coming 1 times, S is coming 3 times, C is coming 1 time, T is coming 1 time, U is coming 1 time, H is coming 2 times. See, H is here also and here also, right? Then I is coming 2 times, I is here also and I is here also, right? Then L is coming 1 time because L is having only 1. O is coming 3 times because this O occurs here also and 2 times here also, right? So this is what our expectation also. It was like O should come at 3 times. Okay, so like this only you have to get the count of every character. But interviewer main intention is this: first they will see your approach with this map. Second thing, they will try to see the iterator, whether you are able to use iterator to print values of map or not. But here directly we did, right? Map system.out.println and map, and it printed like this. Okay, but first let me handle this space. I don't want to put print this space. So what I'll do, if C is equal to okay, not equal to space. Okay, if C, just a second, string dot value of C we have to do. Okay, because this not equal to things, no, you can try on a string, not on a character. So that is what we have to convert this character to string, and then we have to check whether that is there or not. If it is not space, then only do this, or else don't do this. Okay, this is what our expectation is. So now let's print this map and we'll see the output. Okay, why it is coming? Just a second. While it is taking, let me run this. Still it is taking. If it is not equal to, okay, I got it. So here the string dot value of C we are getting, right, and that is like, see, equal to operator and not equal to operator in string, it used to compare the reference, not the content. Okay, and we are trying to check whether this is this is there or not. So what we have to do, we have to write here dot contents. Okay, if it contains this space, then don't go inside this. If not, right, if it contains space, then don't go, or else go. Okay, see, now that space is gone, right? The earlier space was also coming. So now that we have handled, now we have to, instead of printing like this, we will be using iterator. That iterator is also very important. Okay, So now we'll get iterator itr is equal to map object. We have to pass map dot entry set. Okay, entry set dot iterator. Okay, so like this we will get iterator, and this iterator should get imported from java.util package. Okay, now here warning is coming, so it is asking to add type of this entry. Okay, so we have done like this. Now while loop will take, okay, while itr dot has next, okay, this iterator. Okay, then we have to go inside this. Now we have to get this entry. Okay, now this entry is equal to itr dot next. Okay, and this we have to typecast. Okay, just a second. Okay, now we'll do one thing. So system.out.println, this entry is there, right? In entry, this object, we will be having both the values. Okay, key and value. So dot get key, see this method, get key is there, right? So it will print the key, and key will be like these things. Okay, these are the keys. Okay, now let me append here one space. Okay, or let me give one tab space. Okay, like some more space. Okay, now entry dot get value. Okay, so what it will do, it will get entry key and entry value, it will key, and it will print like that. Okay, so let's run this. See here, r 1 times, s 3 times, c 1 time, t 1 time, u 1 time, h 2 times, o 3 times, right? See, s is 3 times, o is 3 times. So let's go and check whether s is 3 times. They're not 1, 2, and 3 times. It is there, right? So like this only you have to do. So now there is one assignment, guys. So what you have to do, you have to print the occurrence of vowels in a given string. Okay, just like vowels, like which vowel is coming how many times. So in this, if you'll see, I is coming 2 times, 2 times. Okay, o is coming 3 times, 2 times here and 1 time here, and u is coming 1 time. So this is what try to do this program. So few concepts you will get clear. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you.